Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to look at these products from LUIGX, and it's really interesting. These are retractable keychains, but I think that really undersells it. It's really great for all kinds of EDC gear, and I'll show them to you in just a bit. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member. Thanks a lot. So shout out for LUIGX for sending me this set of retractable badge holders, and I've got great news for you. They are going to be rewarding my community with some of their products. That's right, I've got a bunch of the products which they are going to give to lucky winners who participate in this giveaway, and today is the very first one, and someone's going to stand a chance to win this particular very special retractable badge holder. Now if you want to learn how to win this and you want to know what this product is about, you gotta watch about the middle of the video. I'll share it with you then, but I'll show you this particular product first. So these are kind of the standard retractable badge holders. So it just comes in these black packaging like that, and this is it. So these are identical. This is a set of two, so I'm just going to take out one like that, and basically what this is a reel which you have a carabiner on one end, which you can clip to your belt or your bag or your pack, and then you have a keyring over here, and then you also have this kind of a fastener. Now this is very heavy duty plastic with a button snap like that, or you can choose to go with that keyring. So you basically can use this for keys, and this is really strong. So this is not your typical badge retractor. I'm sure you've seen these in bookshops and stuff like that. This is actually, I would say, on steroids. It's really strong. So this particular one is high quality spring steel, and this has been tested for 10,000 times. That's right, so really tough, and the shell over here is ABS plastic, and it's reinforced, so you don't have to worry about dropping it as well. So I'd say these are really heavy duty, and if you are looking for kind of a heavy duty retractable I guess device like that, not just for keys but all kinds of gears. So obviously you can use keys. They say you can take up to 15 keys. That's a lot of keys. So maybe if you are a property manager, I think that would be perfect on your belt to have your keys. But for, I guess, the average person, yes, you could have your keys, but you could also have their badge holders. So this is a product from LUIGX as well. I'll be reviewing this in a separate video. But basically, if you have any kind of these ID or tag holders, that can go on as well. All right, just for simplicity, I will put that over here. That goes on, and then you can have a lanyard, or you can just clip this to your belt, and then that, you can see how strong that is. So really handy, and of course it just doesn't stop there. You can use this for all kinds of gear, and I think this is great for outdoor gear as well. So I've got a collection of items over here which I thought would make sense for someone to, you know, carry like this on their belt or on their pack. So maybe I won't do a lot, but let's just do maybe this Swiss Army knife. This is the baton or bantam. It's a very slim Swiss Army knife, and this is the nylon handles in black, issued to the Singapore Army at one time. You can see that easily retracts as well, and you could put, I guess, a flashlight. Why not just put that on as well, and that goes on just with that keyring. And I must say that this keyring is pretty good as well. It is very stable, yet not too tight. You know how some keyrings are really tough to split. That's secure, but that's fine. And again, easily. So you could put a ferro rod. Maybe it makes sense to have a whistle and a compass. Maybe instead of a knife like that, you want a smaller Swiss Army knife in form of the Mini Champ. But that's basically what you get. These just heavy duty, great quality badge holders, which allows you to put all kinds of things, not just keys and badges. So this is kind of their standard badge holder, and I believe they have different designs as well. But I'm going to show you this special one. And this is their latest version. It is basically one of their badge holders, but improved, and it's got a light. That's right. Let's open it up. So this is pretty cool, and I'm happy to say that one lucky subscriber will be able to win this. Okay, let's just get this out without damaging the box. Okay, that's open, but let's pry that up. Okay. So this one is a bit more complicated. You have instructions over here. This is the product card that comes with the products. Because it has a light, you get a Type-C cable because it's rechargeable. And let's take this out. And we can just compare it to one of the standard ones, just so that you can have a look. Now this is definitely more involved, and I'll get to some of the differences, but you can visually see them here. Slightly thicker, although smaller in diameter. The carabiner tops are different, and there's more going here for the bottom. But that's just a comparison. All right, let me first tell you how you can win this. One lucky person is going to win this free. We'll deliver it to your door. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel, like the video, and leave a comment, a legitimate comment. I will pick one lucky commenter who's also a subscriber in 5 days' time, and that person will win this. No strings attached. It's that easy. All right, so let's talk about this product. So the difference with this are several things. Okay, the overall construction is definitely different. I would say that this feels, I won't say more high quality because they both feel high quality, but this just feels built differently, a bit sleeker with these lines. You can see that the carabiner is integrated with the product itself. This over here, okay, well I pressed that accidentally, but why don't I talk about that first then. You can see if you press the button here, you get a light. If you press again, you get a red light. Press one more time, you get a kind of a blinking red light. It's a bit bright here, so you can't see it, but you can see it pulsing there. But you can see, obviously, this light is pretty bright over here, a bit like an Iron Man arc reactor, right? So that's kind of the major benefit. And then over here, this is magnetic. So you kind of have to break it away in order to pull it, and then you pull it again. Now, what's innovative about this is, I believe the wire, this wire is not steel wire like the previous standard one. This is Dyneema. It's made from Dyneema, which is a heavy-duty cord. So I wanted to know what that is, and basically it's a synthetic fiber that's known for being strong, lightweight, and durable. So basically just very thin but very flexible, resistance to moisture, UV light, and chemicals, but extremely strong. So that's pretty cool. You get more attachments over here. You have that split ring or key ring. You also have this kind of a detachable buckle clasp, so you could attach that to something, so you could detach that. You have another kind of spring-loaded ring, and then you get that same plastic holder. So it's up to you what you want to use. And I believe they said this was a phone holder. I'm not sure exactly how this goes on, but this is supposed to be a phone holder. If you know how to work this, let me know in the comments below. But the same thing, if you wanted to add things, you know, for outdoor gear, and I think because of the light, this is specifically great for outdoor gear. So let's say it makes sense, a ferro rod, right? I want to make sure that I'll never lose my ferro rod. So I could put this on this. This could be on my belt, on my pack. I never have to worry about that. And I could just pull it out, use it as I need, and I get that to retract. Because you never want to lose your ferro rod, and when you drop this in the jungle or the forest, you know, it can be a pain looking for it. And then of course, if you have a light, that's just an added light on top of other lights that you might have. Nice to have this red light as well. So that's basically it. You know, great products, I think. You know, I never thought you could kind of reinvent and be innovative with something as simple as this retractable badge or key holder, but I think these are great. So if you are looking for heavy-duty retractable devices for your keys, for your badge holders, for gear, as I've showed, for outdoor gear, I think this is pretty cool. So once again, if you want to win this particular device, you know what to do. Go ahead and do it. I'll pick one lucky winner in 5 days, and all the best to you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have experience with these LUIGX products, do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.